Is Cintas refusing to accept delivery of your certified mail, or are they not claiming it due to whatever reasons? Well, this video is for you. So sometimes what will happen with, which is becoming more and more prevalent in these economic downtimes, that the uniform rental companies don't want to accept service to correct deficiencies, or they don't want to accept service for canceling the automatic renewal clause because they know that if they get to arbitration and this becomes a dispute, that 50% of the cases are lost by business owners because they never sent a certified letter. That's why this is extremely important. And so what do we do in that case? So what you want to do is you want to make multiple attempts. You want to keep those copies because that's your evidence that they never claimed it. You also want to send them a letter, send it via email, and get them to respond to it. Get them to respond saying something like, yeah, I received it, it's okay. If they don't respond to your emails, send multiple emails to multiple persons at Cintas. The other thing you can do is make up a little form that your driver who services you week to week is going to sign for it. If you even want to go further, you can take, and you have a video there of when he signs for it, you can take a copy of that and put it with that file. Also, you can even go down to the local office if it's close enough and hand deliver that and get them to sign a paper that you drew up. It's extremely important because 50%, people think like, oh, this is too much time, I don't have enough time, but guarantee you guys, I have been there in the arbitration cases. I read the arbitration cases, I see what happens. And they get to the arbitration case and they don't even get to show their emails. They don't get to show their videos or their pictures. They can't even show the sample merchandise that they had, the poor quality service. Why? Because they never even sent the certified letter. That's the first hurdle you have to get over. If you didn't do that correctly, then you need to stop and think about what you're doing and get some professional help to assess your situation. Look at what the Cintas contract says. It says, this agreement contains the entire agreement of the parties with respect to the subject matter of this agreement and supersedes all prior negotiations, agreements, and understandings with respect thereto. This agreement may only be amended, modified, or supplemented by a written document executed by all parties. And so it doesn't matter if the CEO of Cintas says, hey, yeah, don't worry about it. I'll accept service via email. I'll accept a certified mail via email. It doesn't matter if the President of the United States accepts it. It doesn't matter if whoever says it. It will not fly when you get to an arbitration hearing. So make sure you don't miss that step, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, share it with all of your business people. I help. The first consultation is always free. Go ahead and send me a copy of your agreement. Send me a copy of your invoice. I'll take a look at everything, and the first consultation is always free, and I'll see if I can help you out, guys. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.